Welcome to Malta. If this is the first time you've clicked on one of my videos, welcome. My name is Claire Hawkins and I'm a traveling singer-songwriter. Today is a very exciting day because we are getting the bus from here in Malta's capital of Valletta over to take a boat tour. We are here in an area called Bugiba. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. We just took a bus about 45 minutes from the capital city of Valletta, and now we are getting on a boat that is going to take us to the islands of Camino and Gozo, and we're just going to have a day on a boat. I'm very excited. It is off season, so I don't know how much swimming or water activities we're going to be doing, but regardless, it's going to be great, it's going to be beautiful, and I'm taking you all along with me.
I don't miss the city like I thought I would. I don't remember all that I should.
It has started raining, but we're ignoring it. We're pretending that it's summer. It's sunny, yay! Oh, I think there's rain on the lens. There is. We are now just passing Camino Island, and we learned that the name Camino comes from an Arabic word that means sheltered place, and that probably comes from the fact that it is sheltered in between Gozo and Malta. As the boat is going along, they are informing us of things around us with a recording over the loudspeaker, and it's in a few different languages. The English version of the recording that's giving us information about what we're seeing said that there are 4 people that live on the island of Camino, but then the French version said that there are 3. So, I don't know.
So if you live in Camino, comment below.
The practice I'm giving up pushed me too hard. Tradition made me tough and broke my hungry heart.
We are here at our first stop, which is the beautiful Blue Lagoon. Even though it's a little too cold to really properly swim, Florence and Geraldine and I have decided we're at least going to dip our feet so we can say that we went in the Blue Lagoon. And then we're going to get out and we're going to get cocktails because they sell those here.
It's only me and my head that don't agree. What I want is already gone.
Our dear friend Florence has decided to volunteer to go in. She's committing. Geraldine and I are going to watch from the side.
Si c'est le pays où tu te la personnalité.
So Florence is out in the water getting us some GoPro footage, and Geraldine and I are getting us some cocktails.
Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Claire Hawkins, a singer-songwriter. I don't know the rest of this spiel. We are here on Camino Island, just off of Malta, and there's a boat. I actually can't see what I'm filming. There's the boat we came on. Actually, that's not the boat we came on. I lied. Maybe it is, I can't remember.
We decided that there was only one cocktail that you could order at the Blue Lagoon, which is a Blue Lagoon. Now, I don't know if it's that the sun came out or the drinks came out, but I can definitely say there are now people swimming.
C'est la voix qui me manque encore. Son chemin pour marcher, je cours.
We have arrived here at our next stop of the day. It is the beautiful island of Gozo. I'm saying beautiful even though I haven't been yet because I know it will be. It is the second largest island here in Malta and we're gonna do some exploring.
La silence que je te donne, mon place, la chanson.
It is time for lunch, so we've decided to go here to this place called Cafe Jubilee. They are particularly known for a dish called Nana's ravioli, so I think that's what I have to order. And then on top of that, we're gonna try out a Maltese beer called Chisk.
It's only me and my head that don't agree. What I want is already gone.
Unfortunately, the amount of time that we have in Gozo on this tour is quite limited, so there's a lot more to see than what we'll be able to catch in our small amount of time here. But we are here at the Citadel and we're wandering around, and I think we are going to go check out the old prison.
Si c'est le pays où es-tu de la personnalité.
So we are here at the old prison. Yes. And we don't have too much information, but we're wandering.
Although they get saltfish and a few olives Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays.
There you go, look at Jer reading the signs.
Cheese, saltfish, olives. Monday, Wednesday, Fridays and Saturdays.
It looks like this prison was mostly used for knights that had misbehaved as well as rowdy citizens. That's the way that they're referred to here. We are now just waiting for the boat to come back and pick us up here at the port. We got a minibus from town. Well, originally we got the minibus from the port into the town of Victoria, which is sort of the unofficial capital of the island of Gozo.
It's only me and my head that don't agree. What I want is already gone. Si c'est le pays où es-tu de la personnalité. C'est une partie que j'abandonne.
Our incredibly fun boat tour here in Malta has come to an end. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you liked the music in this video, it is one of my original songs, which you can find linked in the video description or anywhere you get your music online. Please make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.
Bye. I'm working on my foreign